Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have a post review for you guys. These are the paintings which were sent to me by GBFKE. They had sent them to me a little while ago. I do have the unboxing, which I will link down below for you, but I have the completed paintings. They sent me 4 paintings. The first one was the floral background that I modified. That one is put away right now in the frame. I think I was going to put it on the wall, but I don't have it with me right now. But I did show that it had its own video. So in this video, you will see the 3 remaining paintings that I completed. The first one here is the floral kitty cat. Just going to turn it sideways so you can see the entire image there. So cute. And he is super sparkly. Sorry, it doesn't totally come across in my videos because I do have an overhead LED light. And I should like get a flashlight or something that I can shine on it for you guys. Just one second. That's great background sound to my videos, isn't it? Yep. Okay, so we're back. Hopefully you guys saw the sparkle. Jonathan was helping me with his iPhone, which is older, and the light looks kind of blue. It's kind of funny, but it's super sparkly. I did just pull a drill up with my finger. Yep. I did share this one in a drill with me, and you guys heard my frustrations with the white drills. I felt that they were different heights and sizes. But once you get it on there, they look fine. They actually look really good. I don't see a problem with it. My only issue is that this canvas was not super sticky. The glue is not really thick enough on it, so the drills slide, and which means that when you take your fingers and you rub them, you can easily slide and pull a drill like I had just done there with my hand. So this is definitely one where you want to leave it flat for a while to let some of the glue dry out from the air touching it, or put some books on it to keep them down, or even seal it. Totally up to you. I find when I put them in frames, I don't really need to seal them, so I don't generally do that. But yeah, so super cute. The image itself turned out really nice. This is the 40 by 50, which is not exactly 40 by 50 because that is the outside canvas size. It's about 43.5 by 33.5. Now for drills, all of the other colors were fine. It was the white that I found to be a problem, and I do have extras in every single color. Lots of white. I have like 1.5 packages of white and almost a full slot of the off-white, because the off-white is on the inside of the cat and the bright white is on the outside. So it's just a slight difference, but it looks pretty good. Looks good to me. So lots of extras. And these ones did have DMC codes, so I can save these ones. So that is the floral cat. The next one is Pikachu. So the next 2 I actually did not finish myself. These ones I had my sister do them for me because I have been working on a lot of these projects to try and get them done so I can share with you guys the finished products and you can see the quality. So in order to get that done fast so that you guys can see them in a timely manner, she has helped me out. So for Pikachu, he is awesome. We are actually going to put this one in an IKEA frame and put it up on Jonathan's door to his bedroom. He's super excited about that. He is holding a phone. I know in my unboxing video I wasn't quite sure what he was holding, but he is holding a phone and it has the Pokeball on the phone. There are 3 characters up here in the top that are not super clear, but that to me is not an issue because the main focus is Pikachu and he is beautiful. He's turned out perfect. This one has gorgeous sparkle you can see without me doing anything. So this one, I think it's great. I don't feel any of the drills moving. Now, she gave me notes. We have notes. Because again, I didn't actually do the drilling on these, but I still want you guys to know what we thought of them. So, for Pikachu, she said, very good drills, almost all uniform in shape and size. Even the black, she did not have to pick through them, which is really good because usually black is your bad color. There were some symbols that were too close looking. They looked kind of the same. The B, G, and the R, they were all in the black, back or dark backgrounds. So here's your B at the top here, and G and R you can see down there, number 14 and 15. So the colors are all very similar and the symbols are pretty similar. And then the same for L, J, and the backslash. So there's the backslash and J, and then L is down here on the bottom. So they were all yellows, and of course then they're close together because they're on Pikachu's body. She did say she did use almost twice as much wax, but the drills didn't seem dirty or dusty. So not sure about that, but I had just given her some pink wax that I had, so it wasn't I don't know if it necessarily was the wax from GBFKE. And her last note, the only thing I'd change is the picture because she's not a Pikachu fan, but definitely an 8 out of 10 or better is what she says. Now, she may not be a Pikachu fan, but we are over here, and Jonathan just loves this guy. I think he's beautiful. Just as good as the Starbucks Pikachu we had from Fan Cells. All right, and then the last one. This one, I'm gonna lay down here. We'll have to move it around, but this is the triple panel. Please don't laugh at the bunny washi tape. Oh, sorry, Pikachu's drills. So again, there was tons of extra drills. And Pikachu did not have DMC codes. So these ones, if I'm going to keep them, I'd have to go through and find the DMC codes for them. But there are a lot of extras. With these, generally, if I do keep them, I just put them in their baggies like this and put them in a container. And then if I'm looking for a color that I don't have, I will go to the non-DMC code ones and see what I can find that's close. But again, tons of drills. GBFKE definitely does not skimp on the drills for you. All right, so the next one is this bamboo panel. So there's 3 pictures to it. Let me turn it the right way here for you guys. The first one, and look at that sparkle, is the piece of bamboo that is a fountain with the water, and then you can see the water trickling down into the next panel, which is the 3 rocks sitting on each other with a flower in the corner over here. And then the last one is the bottom of the pond with the floating candle and the floating flower. So nice and serene. This one, I am going to actually cut them each separately and back them on black poster board. And I thought they would be really good to put up in a bathroom. I don't know, I thought it was pretty. So Zen Garden, she called this one. So 310, it says symbol 3. There were a lot of different size drills and a lot of rough, jagged edges. And she says that the drills did slide easily, so it was easy to fit in different sizes. So I would say again that this one probably, the glue was not thick enough. And it doesn't hold the drills very well to begin with. Let me grab a tray. It is super sparkly. So this is the leftover 310. You can see, as I bounce it around, I can see like there's little pieces of trash in it. I can tell what she means. There are some fatter ones, some thinner ones. There's some that are not round in shape. It's definitely not the best. You can see, I know it's really hard to show that on camera, but this one again, she said there were some symbols Z, 7, and L that are two alike, and they were white and light ivory in background, so they were very similar. And then she had enough drills to finish it. Only problem might have been the 310s, because she said a third of the container was bad drills mixed in. So as far as the picture goes, probably better if in a larger size. No different definition around the candle and flower and in between the rocks. I do understand what she's saying. When you see it through camera though, you do see a better image than you do in person, because again, diamond painting is to look at a distance. But I think for the size of it and the type of image, it's really not that bad. Here's our extra drills. Again, lots in each color, so nothing to worry about running out of drills, and none of them were missing. They were all there. Lots and lots of extras. So I would say typical to the dropship companies, your fan cells, GBFKE, oh, this is GBFKE, FG Normal, Craftsy Art, all of those. It's going to be hit or miss on the canvases, and because they're not all consistent, the same same type of drills, it's just going to depend on which canvas that you get. But so far, they're not bad. And I think this one, GBFKE, was shipping-wise was a lot cheaper than the other ones, and price-wise was in line with everybody else. So, yeah, we still got some really nice images, nice paintings. Gonna get this one in a frame right away and get that up on Jonathan's door. Yeah, so that is it. So check them out. I will have the link down below for you guys. And I will copy over the links from the paintings that they did send me, so you can see these ones directly. Have any comments or questions, just leave them down below, and thanks for watching. Bye.